Assalamu alaikum. As the Muharram al Haram is coming, which is the first month of Hijri calendar, so I want to share some knowledge about Hijri calendar and the Hijri months. The Hijri calendar is a lunar calendar, which means that each Hijri month starts at the beginning of new moon cycle. The number of days in each Hijri month varies according to the moon's progress around the earth. The length of each moon is 29 to 30 days. In the Hijri calendar, this year is 1443. So it means that the Holy Prophet ﷺ migrated to Medina 1443 years ago. The meanings of the Hijri month names. Muharram. The literal meaning of Muharram is forbidden. In this month, Arabs refrain from fighting each other. Two important events occurred during Muharram in Islamic history are: number 1, Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam was martyred. Number 2, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and his people of Bani Israel were saved from Fir'aun by paving a way for them in the Red Sea and drowning Fir'aun and his followers. Safar. Many calamities took place during this month during the time of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rabiul Awwal. The meaning of this month is the beginning of spring. One of the major events that occurred in this month is the birth of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam on 12th as the blessing to all mankind. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also left this world on 12th of Rabiul Awwal. It was also the month in which the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated from Makkah to Medina Munawwara. Rabiul Sani. The literal meaning of Rabiul Sani is the second month of spring. Jamadul Awwal. During this month, the Battle of Mu'tah was fought at the east of Jordan River. It was fought between Muslims and the forces of Byzantine Empire. Jamadul Sani. The Battle of Salasil took place this month on 8 AH. Rajab. The name was derived from the Arabic word Rajaba, meaning respect. Shaban. It was during this month that the Qibla, or direction to be faced during Salah, was changed back to the Kaaba in Makkah after it was changed to Baitul Muqaddas in Jerusalem for a short period of time. Ramzan. The word was derived from the Arabic word Ar-Ramda, which means intense heat, as the month usually occurred in the time of heat in the Arabian Peninsula. This is the month in which the Quran was first time revealed to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is also in this month that Muslims are ordained to fast. The victory of Makkah also took place in the year 8 AH on the 8th of Ramzan. Shawwal. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated on the first of this month. Fasting in this month after the Eid also has many virtues. Zulqa'dah. It is amongst the month in which the Prophet ﷺ and his companions returned to Makkah for performing Umrah in 7 AH. Zilhajj. It got its name because it is the month in which the fifth pillar of Islam, the Hajj, is performed. Facts about the Hijri calendar. The lunar calendar lags behind the solar calendar by around 10 days every year. The months of Islamic calendar fall in different months of usual Gregorian calendar each year, which repeats after every 33 years. The Hijri calendar has 354 days in a year as opposed to the 365 days of the Gregorian calendar. If you find my video informative, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.